Hi guys, welcome to this MBA podcast. I have somebody with me. His name is Adrish. Amazing guy. इससे बहुत बार बात हुआ अभी मेरा. And he's got 98.75 in CAT exam. Converted IIM Lucknow. ये इसका third attempt था. And he has lot of stuff to share with you guys. And trust me, अगर आप beginner हो या फिर अगर आप repeater भी हो, अदृश को अगले 15-20 मिनट सुन लेना. आपके बहुत सारे फंडे क्लियर हो जाएंगे. अदृश, welcome on board. Happy to have you, man.
Thank you so much.
How
Happy
was
to be here.
the pleasure is mine. How was the journey 3 साल का? पहले वो बता. कितना टफ रहा, कितना रोलर कोस्टर लाइफ रहा, पहले वो बता दे.
Yeah, of course, it's a roller coaster, right? But then again, what really kept me going on the path was the fact that, like I said, B school is going to be a bigger roller coaster, right? So it's like it's like a big mock that you take, right? So, and that's how you not lose hope, because there are going to be a lot of situation in the B school where things are going to be very very difficult, right? So एक कैटेगरी में नहीं हुआ या दूसरे में नहीं हुआ is nothing, right? And I was having a job, so I always have that security, right? Last Sunday of November में there is CAT, and even वो अच्छा नहीं होता है, 2 दिन बाद सैलरी घुसेगा, I will enjoy, right? And I had that privilege, right? So that is also something I'm aware of. So that is there. So, but of course, it's a roller coaster journey. There's a lot of things you have to focus on. You have to be very consistent, and I think that consistency and the resilience is something that differentiates successes from people who have not been able to succeed. Because in CAT, I think, is not an exam of intellect; it's an exam of perseverance.
True.
To see every day if you have worked hard. And one mantra that has helped me ever since is that even if you study for 30 minutes, right? Even if it's 20, even if it's one RC question, या 2 RC question, या फिर 2 quants का question, you have to do it every day. It does not matter.
Exactly.
Like I come from a Bengali background, so Durga Puja and all is a huge thing for me, right? So I knew कि वो 4 दिन पढ़ाई नहीं होगा, right? But I tried to compensate for 4 days. उसके पहले बहुत ज़्यादा पढ़ गए, and I did that so that I have that guilt inside me even after the puja कि यार 4 दिन तो मैंने पढ़ा नहीं है. Not that मैंने compensate किया है, it's because मेरे को compensate करना पड़ा है.
True.
Right? So I think that consistency matters, and as with work, right? So it does not matter, like work के बाद मन नहीं करता पढ़ने का, like nobody feels like studying.
You're exhausted.
Yeah, it's a hectic work, like 9-10 बजे you shut down and you have been mentally exhausted. I was never an early bird, so I had to study late night. But I have seen that even if it is just half an hour, 45 minutes, right? 45 minutes में ज़्यादा बोल दिया. 35 minutes बाद ही मेरे को नींद आने लगता, ठीक है? So I would study for 35 minutes, but I would try to do it almost every day. ठीक है. So ऑफिस के बाद पार्टी भी है, तो I would be like थोड़ा ड्रिंक कम लेंगे क्योंकि जाके मेरे को एक सवाल लगाना है.
What a dedication.
That is very symbolic. एक सवाल से मेरा कुछ नहीं होगा, but that tells my brain and gives me the confidence that I am not a quitter, that I persevere, and this is the person I am.
Wow.
Right? So it gives me the kind of feedback loop. So I think that is important, setting those rules for yourself, training your brain to think that yes, you are an achiever, you do this every day, and you will do it every day. Right? So I think getting in the zone helps.
Wow. Fantastic. Can you give us a little background of yours कि आप कहाँ से हो, आप engineer हो, आपने Big Four में काम करा है, आपका weak area क्या था?
Right. So I did my engineering from IIEST Shibpur in electronics. Post that I joined PwC as a consultant. I've been working there for 4 years, and few months back I got promoted to senior consultant.
Would it be okay if I say that you were good at verbal?
Yeah, of course. Yeah, I mean, I am a passionate reader, right? And the day I decided that I have to take CAT, I knew that there's going to be RCs and stuff. And like RC has been something I've been good at since school days, right? Like you can notice कि बाकी बच्चों से हो रहा है, मेरे से नहीं हो रहा है. So I knew that it's something I'm good at, and I knew this is going to fetch me marks. Also because I knew that even though being an engineer, I was very weak at quants, right? Maths was never my cup of tea.
It was a shocker for me जब इसने कहा कि सर मैं engineer और मैं quants में भी कर, I was like, okay चलो non engineering के लिए company है यहाँ पे.
Exactly. My profile, like my CAT prep matches. In fact, even the videos I watched, I was always watching the videos which says how to prepare for CAT as a non-engineer, right? Because I knew that this is the kind of people who have the same mindset
exactly.
as me, right? I might have got into engineering, but that's not the person I am. So I need to know myself. So that was there. So I was always to diligently watch how they prepared for quants, and that really helped me. But yeah, so since I knew that VARC and all those things are going to be there, I saw one CAT paper, I saw that it's parajumble and all that thing, and I realized if you can read something and understand what is being said, right, then you are good to go. It's not grammar and anything, right? So I was like, and since I like reading, I thought, why not pick it up, like, be more regular with it. I resumed my Goodreads account so that I could be more competitive. because other people are uploading and I would feel कि मेरे को भी थोड़ा पढ़ना चाहिए. So that is something I did. It was like a non-verbal cue. So and I picked up books. I was like कि महीने में एक खत्म करना है. ठीक है. So I had my 20-25 books target on Goodreads for the last 2-3 years, which I exceeded. So I think that really helped. And I think rather than focusing on कि यार आरती करना है, e-para jumble करना है, focus on the basics, right?
Exactly.
Because if you can read something and understand and comprehend it, right, that's a skill for life. And this is something I felt good about doing and not felt that this was a part of my prep. Because firstly, you read, you learn new things, and you enjoy the reading process itself, right? Secondly, I feel to succeed in any kind of career, learning is important, continuous learning, and you get that through reading.
Absolutely.
So I was like, even if I don't crack CAT, it does not matter because I'm getting a lot of reading, and this is going to help me build a lot of information. And I read, I tried to, like since I was preparing for CAT, I was trying to infuse a lot of non-fiction, business, philosophy, and apart from fiction as well, right? So I would do one fiction because I liked, then I would add like one like Malcolm Gladwell, and I would add one Sapiens and something like that, and then I would like push again myself, recharge with another fiction. So I would do that so that I could get the varied perspective. So yeah, so that really helped me with the VRs.
Fine. So we'll talk about quants because that's going to be the interesting area for me to know how you prepared for it and what was your mindset about it. So how you started with quants?
So my starting point with quants was firstly I saw the syllabus, right? I saw the syllabus, I got no syllabus, right? On the CAT website. Other websites had syllabus. So first thing I realized is that syllabus तो नहीं है, ठीक है? People are assuming what is the syllabus, right?
Yes.
Right? So I realized कि 2-3 website देख के you will realize कि there is a set pattern to it, right? कि arithmetic heavy होता है, algebra थोड़ा आता है, थोड़ा geometry आता है, कुछ section आता ही नहीं है.
Numbers and modern maths negligible.
Yeah, exactly. They are like barely there. So I was like, okay, fine. Let's know the exam first because I knew, and then I also realized that this is a percentile game, right? So and in any paper, right? In any paper, like there has to be some questions which are very easy. Has to.
Exactly.
Right. There have to.
Exactly.
And we need to identify them. Right, and I saw your videos and all, and they mentioned about the same thing, right? Easy question आता है, ये doable था. Okay, and that reinforced कि मेरा assumption was right. There has to be easy questions. So I was like, okay, let's know the exam first, right? Because VRC I knew कि मैं तो कर देगा. Quants I was like, this is a dangerous thing, so I need to be very careful about this. So I was like, let's look at quants. I saw CAT papers last 4-5 साल का. People say कि बाद में ऐसे mock देना. I was like कि पहले prep तो हो जाए, उसके बाद mock का सोचेंगे. तो I saw the paper, I realized कि even if I just do arithmetic, उसमें से ही मैं easy question अगर मैं एग्जाम में करके आ जाऊं, एक फंक्शन का साइड इजी आ जाएगा या लॉग का एक इजी आ जाएगा, ठीक है, दोनों में से एक कुछ तो इजी आ ही जाएगा, वो 4-5 अगर मैंने कर दिया तो आई एम क्रॉसिंग 90 percentile easily.
I'm sorry to interrupt, but this is where it's getting interesting. Adrish, there are a lot of people, they are not good at quants, honestly, and it's a bloody nightmare. It's a bigger problem, and in Indian society, quants has always been the problem from last 10 odd years, And being a non-engineer, I can feel that. Like, I know like what quant, nightmares that I had. So when you said that, I gone through all the CAT previous year paper to understand the pattern, right? Would you correct, sir? I mean, would you agree if I say this, that if you check last 5-6 years of quants paper, arith ho, algebra ho, geometry ho, the question will not get copy pasted exactly, but somewhere the concepts or the format, yes, it will keep on coming up again and again. For example, time split decision and all that. But that's the catch. If you catch it and if you practice it, then I think you're gonna nail it. It's just a reiteration. Would you agree on that front?
Exactly, definitely. This is very true. Because like it's not that कि तुमको एक साल का पेपर, एक साल का 3 सेट देख लिया है, like मैंने 3 पेपर देखा है, नहीं, तुमने एक साल का पेपर देखा है. So I will say that before starting with quants, right, like syllabus ऊपर से देखा, that is different. Before actively starting with quants, I spent just a couple of days on analyzing the exam.
Wow.
Right?
Wow.
And
nice.
This is something I have done since my 10th board exam. I believe कि exam को analyze करो पहले, फिर syllabus पे जाना. ठीक है? क्योंकि पूछेगा तो 100 नंबर का, syllabus तो 10,000 नंबर का. ठीक है? And I found a pattern because there's always a pattern. So I realized कि last 4-5 साल से पहले का जाओ तो थोड़ा इधर-उधर होता है, बस लेकिन 4-5 साल तुम लोड लेके एनालाइज करो. एक दिन एक साल का उठाओ, ठीक है, जस्ट लिख लो ये ठीक है, ये इजी है, ये डिफिकल्ट है, इसमें से आ रहा है, इसमें से नहीं आ रहा है. एनालाइज इट परफेक्टली. इट्स द सेम फंडास अगेन एंड अगेन एंड अगेन. ठीक है, 2-4 कॉन्सेप्ट. तो अरिथमेटिक का भी तुमने अगर 80% कॉन्सेप्ट ठीक से कर लिया है, ठीक है, यू डोंट नीड टू रिमेंबर दैट फार्मूला की अपस्ट्रीम होता है, डाउनस्ट्रीम होता है, फार्मूला क्या है, डिराइव कर लो, उतना टाइम रहेगा.
यस, आराम से हो जाता है. यस.
या पीपल बी लाइक 40 मिनट मिलता है, 20 क्वेश्चन है, 2 मिनट पर क्वेश्चन.
Bullshit.
20 थोड़ी करना है मेरे को 120 परसेंटाइल थोड़ी मिल जाएगा.
Right.
My aim was
Right.
right. My aim was in quants I'll attempt 10 question, do 8 correct. ठीक है. That was my attempt. That was like my base idea. ये पहले करते हैं, इसके आगे बढ़ेंगे. ठीक है. In that I realized if I am doing 10 question, I get 4 minutes per question. अगर 4 मिनट है and I am a guy who cannot remember formulas, right? तो मेरे को 4 फॉर्मूला दिमाग में रखने का जरूरत ही नहीं है ना.
जरूरत नहीं है.
मैं एक फॉर्मूला रख के थोड़ा सा मैं if it is a 10 second derivation, I can do it.
आराम से.
ठीक है. And I need to focus on the फंडा बार. अगर मैंने वो क्वेश्चन 5 बार कर लिया, फॉर्मूला याद हो गया पहले, नहीं याद हो गया तो भी ठीक है. I will do it.
यार मैं तो समझ नहीं पाता हूँ ये पर मिनट जो लगता है ना, क्वेश्चन पर मिनट पर क्वेश्चन, ये फंडा कहाँ से आया? गॉड नोज. दिस इज
exactly.
मतलब this is so
does not make sense.
And and you know what
and
happens.
people time themselves.
हाँ.
2 मिनट में सॉल्व हो रहा है कि नहीं?
जरूरत ही नहीं है. आई थिंक कैट में बहुत ज्यादा टाइम
जरूरत ही नहीं है.
So
Exactly, that is my
thanks for kind of validating that. So आपसे बात करके अभी मुझे ये चीज पता चली कि जो मैं कहता हूँ always, it's not about the preparation of the exam. It's all about understanding that exam very well. If we understand the exam very well, we are sorted. I think rat race में बच्चे ना घुस जाते हैं and then 2 मिनट में करना है, 50
Lot
मिनट
of
में लगाने.
FOMO.
Lot of students actually. Thanks for that, man. Thanks for that. If I were to ask you kind of a tip, let's say, strategy for quants, somebody who's really not good at it, but they want to get at least 90 percentile just to be in the game. What should be the strategy?
I did 3-4 बार रिवीजन क्योंकि मैं बस अरिथमेटिक कर रहा था. मेरे को टेंशन ही नहीं है. ज्योमेट्री का डिफिकल्ट है, थ्योरी एक तो ज्योमेट्री में थ्योरम बहुत रहता है, सो आई यूज्ड टू स्किप दैट. मेरे को अगर फंडा पता ही नहीं होगा मैं कर ही नहीं पाऊंगा.
Exactly.
ठीक है. और उसमें फंडे इतने सारे, तो लिमिटेड फंडे में जाओ जहाँ पे कुछ भी हो मैं कर पाऊंगा. दैट वाज माय सेफ स्पेस. सो सेकंडली आई वुड से प्लीज फोकस ऑन अरिथमेटिक. ठीक है. एंड प्रोबेबली नॉट फोकस ऑन नंबर थ्योरी, क्योंकि यार नहीं आता है क्वेश्चन उसमें से. अगर गॉड हो तो अलग बात है, वरना उसमें से क्वेश्चन नहीं आता है, कोई पॉइंट नहीं है. सो माय आइडिया वुड बी कि फोकस ऑन अरिथमेटिक एंड अरिथमेटिक का टाइम स्पीड डिस्टेंस एवरेज एलिगेशन मिक्सचर्स, दीस आर इजी क्वेश्चन, इजी चैप्टर्स. सो एलिगेशन मिक्सचर एवरेजेस, सो रेशियो प्रोपोर्शन इवन टू, लेकिन वो जनरली एप्लीकेशन ओरिएंटेड आता है. सो आई वुड से कि मेक इट स्ट्रक्चर्ड, राइट. रेशियो प्रोपोर्शन समझो पूरा, बिकॉज़ परसेंटेजेस समझो पूरा, बिकॉज़ बाकी उसका एप्लीकेशन रहे.
True.
ठीक है. वो समझ गए. उसके बाद यू स्टार्ट टाइम स्पीड डिस्टेंस प्रॉफिट लॉस. ठीक है. फंडा समझो, 1 दिन दो, 2 दिन दो, 4 दिन दो, 1 हफ्ता दो. ठीक है. आराम से लेवल 1 लगाओ, L1 लगाओ. ठीक है. खत्म करो. L1 में कॉन्फिडेंट हो, देन गो टू L2.
True.
ठीक है. इससे ज्यादा जरूरत नहीं होता है. L3 L3 करो, जरूरत ही नहीं है. ठीक है. L1 L2 करो शांति से. एंड देन आफ्टर दैट अगर तुमको टाइम बचता है, देन मे बी टेक अप एक्सपोनेंट्स, मे बी टेक अप समथिंग लाइक लोगारिथम्स, क्योंकि इसमें से मे बी टेक अप फंक्शंस, वो इजीली स्कोरेबल है. ठीक है. इफ यू आर इंजीनियर, यू हैव बेसिक्स ऑफ क्वाड्रेटिक का थोड़ा बहुत, तो मे बी वो 1-2 फॉर्मूला, क्वाड्रेटिक का मैंने 1-2 फॉर्मूला रखा था. रूट कैसे निकालते हैं, कितना रूट है, कैसे पता चलेगा, ग्राफ, एकदम बेसिक. ठीक है. वो 2 दिन पढ़ने से ही हो जाता है. You will master it in 2 days. ठीक है. बस उतना याद रखो कि अगर एकदम इजी क्वेश्चन आ गया तो तुम सॉल्व कर दो, वरना इट्स लाइक कि वो बोनस है. हो गया तो हो गया, नहीं मिला तो कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता अपने को. एंड दिस यू कैन वेरी इजीली कवर इन 5 months. 5 months क्या 2 months में कवर हो जाएगा इफ यू डू प्रॉपर्ली. एंड द मोस्ट इंपोर्टेंट थिंग इज हैव फेथ इन योर स्ट्रेटजी. ठीक है. डोंट बी लाइक आज अदृश ने बोल दिया, कल केतन सर ने बोल दिया तो ये कर लिया, कोई और कह रहा है तो कुछ और कर दिया, वैसा नहीं. ठीक है. इफ यू हैव सम स्ट्रेटजी, तुमको लग रहा है आई एम सेइंग कंप्लीटली रॉन्ग थिंग्स, फोकस ऑन योर स्ट्रेटजी, बिकॉज़ इट इज योर एग्जाम
But fix it and follow it.
Exactly. But whatever strategy you follow, you have to have the faith कि भाई ये सही है, क्योंकि मैंने इसे टाइम देके स्ट्रेटजी को डिटरमाइन किया है. ठीक है. एंड आई एम गोइंग टू फॉलो दिस स्ट्रेटजी एंड दिस इज गोइंग टू वर्क. आई नो इट. हैव दैट फेथ, क्योंकि एंड डे पे ना फिर वो डर लगता है
Actually.
कि क्योंकि मैंने लोगों का सुन के किया था. राइट. नो योरसेल्फ. दैट इज मोस्ट इंपोर्टेंट.
Perfect, man. Perfect. Awesome.